Wake up! The sun rips through the forest, gold and unstoppable, and inside a small wooden cabin, Dudu the bear feels possibility burn in his chest. Today isn't average. Today, Dudu and his mother hunt for the clouds that sing. Why? Because you were not born to drift aimlessly. No, you chase wonder, you pursue the impossible. Hand in hand, they charge into adventure. Dudu asks, "Can clouds really sing?" His mother answers, "If you listen fiercely, heart open wide, you'll hear them. They encounter birds belting melodies from the treetops. Flowers laugh out loud as the wind spins them, every step more vibrant than the last. You don't just watch, you participate." They cross a rainbow bridge. The world explodes in color, limitless, electric. At the forest edge, clouds hover, singing soft tunes just for the brave. Dudu hears them. He's found it. The melody of courage. Remember? Be curious, dare, listen. Adventure is yours every single day.